So, as a lot of you know, we're going on our trip, and I'm talking about that right now a lot because this video is happening literally like a day or so before we're going. And one of the biggest things for me is I travel usually with a fair bit of gear. And this time when I'm traveling with even more gear than normal because we're doing a photo shoot while we're away. So the folks over at, I may pronounce this wrong, my apologies if I do, it's either Mujjo or Mujjo, I'm not too sure, but they make leather products, and we've used their leather wallets, we've tried their leather phone cases, really nice stuff. Today though, they actually sent us one of these, and I'm not sure which tech, it's either the tech kit or the tech case. I'm not 100% sure which one they sent, but we'll find out when we open it. I have a feeling it may be the tech kit just based on the size, but I'm not too sure. And I think they also sent us the portfolio. So we're going to take a look at these. Price-wise, you're looking at about $55 to $75 for a tech case. And portfolio-wise, $95. And I say dollars, but is that pounds, euros, pounds? I can't tell. All right, so I'm gonna close this, but let's look at this one here. Now, I believe, right, just so you guys know, they have a cool picture here, and the first one, of course, that comes up is this one with all this gear. Now, don't expect that you're getting the gear with it. It's just the case. Now, up to this point, my mother-in-law actually bought me a shaving kit. And I've used that kind of just for putting stuff in and traveling, and it's worked somewhat well, but it doesn't have all the little straps and all that kind of stuff. But you can see here, it's got all the cool, this one has all the cool straps and all that you would need. Again, this would be great because I'll be bringing multiple USB hubs, I'll be bringing SD card readers, I'll be bringing all kinds of cables, etc., etc. The other one that we'll be looking at is this one here, and it's the portfolio. Now this one looks like, you know, that you're looking at like a laptop bag, really. But again, a whole bunch of space to be able to put cables and whatnots in there. All right, I'm gonna close this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this anymore. We don't need this. Well, we'll use it when we get the portfolio case out. Anyways, they come in these cool boxes, right? Mujjo. Here's the best thing. Ready? If you look at this right here, this box is recyclable and compostable. Yeah, good on ya. That's awesome. My hat's off to you. Yep, my hat's on, but my hat's, you know what I'm saying. And there's their address if you want to go pick up their stuff, right? Tech kit, yeah, so tech kit. All right, there it is. It's designed to improve the way you carry your tech and have the least impact on the planet. Enjoy the first day with it. If you have any questions, it's nice, and that's you know what, you can't go wrong with that. You get a little card. Here it is. We hope you have many happy years together. It comes with a 5-year guarantee. If you have any issues, we're here to help. That's nice. That's nice. And I love the fact that that's recyclable, compostable, compostable. All right, here we go. Because it's one thing to see it on, you know, a website. Well, that's kind of got, is that like it's black. I kind of thought it had a bluish tone, but no, it does have a bluish tone. Because if you put it up against something like black, it definitely seems to have a little bit, maybe a tiny bit of a bluish sort of tone-ish, kind of, a little bit. What does this say? Recycled polyester used in this product lessens humanity's dependence on petroleum as a source of raw material, as well as reducing waste. This causes less contamination of air, water, soil compared with using virgin polyester. 2-year guarantee and help with repairs for life. It says 2-year guarantee, but then this one said it comes with a 5-year guarantee. Something for me to reach out and ask them, right? Because it says repair, 2-year guarantee. So I'm gonna reach out and I'll leave a comment below to figure out if it's 5 or is it 2, right? 5 or 2. Which of these is it? I don't know. Okay, and just this is what it is, the tech kit. Oh yeah, it's color blue. Yeah, okay, there we go, blue. So it is blue. That comes off. So nice, first off, I love the zipper. It sounds funny, but it's a nice solid zipper, right? For you and I to get a hand of when you're looking for something. You know what I would love to, and I know maybe it's not like cosmetically the same. I would love to see them, especially with the blue, I think this would look really sharp, if this was orange. And the reason I say that again is that when this is in a bag, right, you can probably find this pretty decently. It should come out, you know, but knowing where that zipper is, anything that can help you find something that you can access quick, right? This looks really sharp, blue and blue. Orange, or at least the option of an orange one. I would like that. Then you have a little side pocket there. That's big enough to put, like I could put a card reader in there. I wouldn't want to put anything, unless this is going in a bag, right? I wouldn't want to put anything in here that could easily fall out, because it's nice, it's good, and everything's built really well. It's really solid. Yeah, like I wouldn't put like memory cards and stuff like that in here, because you know what, you lose a whole bunch of memory cards, you'd be very sad. Little air pocket thing. All right, and then on the inside, this is it. So you get nice, and they're kind of stretchy, which is nice. You could put, I would put like small batteries possibly in here, like little 5,000 milliamp hour batteries. You may fit a 10,000 milliamp battery. Could you fit like a phone in there? Let's see. Probably not even a phone case in there. So, and this is the smaller one, but you know what? You have spots for like straps. These are good for straps. These are good ones for cables, just to put in there, right? Little cable spot. Here's your zippered spot again. And if you look at this, that's got a weather seal zipper. You know, you guys see that, right? That's a weather seal zipper, which is really nice. This is where I would put like SD cards and things like that you really want to make sure that you don't lose, which is cool. And then you get another spot over here. And you could, if you had your phone, you could easily slide this one in this way for sure. That would go in there. Or for me, I would probably throw in, let's say I had some wireless, right? Here's some wireless things. You know, those will go in there, no problem, for sure. And hold on, one sec, hold on. See, these are, right? This is a USB, you get a bunch of USB 3. This is going to be an SD card reader, pass-through USB. That could easily slide in there as well. These will fit. This one is like a CFast, compact flash, SD card, memory stick, right? It's got a bunch of them in there. So these as well, no problems. You should be able to stick those in there. Actually, I'll take these ones out for now. All this stuff, some silica gel. And you know what? When I'm traveling, and I've learned this is something I've learned. These two I can fit in there. That'll be good. This is another little. See, Troubadour. This is the new company, Troubadour. Troubadour. I think this is the company that, maybe that's the difference. Troubadour, as far as I know, is now the company that, I don't know if they bought Mujjo or they've merged together. But I think this is probably what I'm thinking. It was probably a 2-year warranty when it was Mujjo. Now that it's under a Troubadour, 5 years. So that's my guess. I will again clarify that description below just to make sure. But see, those two fit in there really nice. And then I could either put these up here if I wanted to, or for me, what I'll probably put in here is power adapters. So like I carry a bunch of power adapters, you know, 60 watts, 100 watts, things like that. Those should fit in there all right. Plus, I'll also probably bring some like actual adapters, so going to different countries. Small, it's good. You know what? Just realize the size of this one. This is the smaller of the two, so like it's 2 hand size, right? Like it's that big, so it's little. Now they do make the slightly bigger one, so depending on your needs, just realize that you can go to that one. This here, same idea, right? Mujjo. Now your packaging may be different now if you buy this, just because I think of the new company, right? Because now you'll see you get this Troubadour. I looked at this side, of course, but Troubadour. So I think that's the company now that is that runs them or owns them. I'm gonna bring my laptop up for this one. Same idea, you know, recycled parts, clever. What is this thing? And it's a little different because it's not like that's actually really nice. And it's got this cool handle at the top, which is nice. I like that. All recycled. Okay, that's cool. I'm down. I like the looks of that actually. That's got a really neat look to it. Now, depending, again, this is why I think it would be kind of a cool option. And this one is in black for sure. Here's that zipper again, right? That zipper there. I would like, maybe it's just something they can do. I don't know if they can. I would like it to have it as an option, or maybe they make this and then they make a small amount with orange, right? I like the orange. So this one's neat because the handle is on this side, yes, and the zipper and everything is on the bottom, right? That's a little different, you know? And then this, of course, just zips down a little bit. Does it zip down a little bit on that? No, just a little on that side. There's your Mujjo in there. That may change. It's got a nice little, you guys can see it. It's like a felty type inside. Yes. Then you have another zipper that's over here. Okay. And this one's just got some stuff in it. That's going, okay, see this? There we go, that's nice. You guys may or may not be able to see that. I'll just kind of bring it there. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. So you got all these little spots. Again, you could put cables. This one here, you know, you could put your phone in. You know, that one could fit your phone for sure, right? If I have my phone there, I would think. Oh yeah, there we go. Got your phone in there, right? That's that, like that. Sweet. Pens, cables, another phone. All kinds of goodness. On this side over here, I hope you guys can see that. I don't know if you can. Right there, maybe. Can I turn that a certain way? There it is. Right there, you got a little zippered area with mesh, so that if you want to put in something that's a little more breathable, right? I could easily put a battery inside there or something like that. And you got just another spot, right there. So you got two main spots plus your big spot. This would be where I would put my laptop. And you can see there, just size-wise, maybe you can see, right? That's a 13-inch MacBook Pro. I would say you'd be able to get a 15-inch in there for sure. And then this, once you get it all done up, and you take all these cables off. Cables are important, I guess. Cables are important. This zips up like so. And yeah, I find that just different, right? Because once it's zipped, it sits this way. Zipper on the bottom. You know? I like that case though. Normally I'm less like, what kind of material is that? But I guess it's that polyester, like that recycled polyester. Oh, I like that. The zipper on the bottom is just different. Does that allow it to stand? Well, so no, it doesn't seem to want to stand that way. Probably because of the fact that the zipper's at the bottom. And if you got it, no, it's not going to really stand. That's too bad. That's too bad. But I do like that. You guys see that? I do like that, I have to say. All right, guys. You know what? If you're looking for some travel stuff, or this portfolio case, if you're all business, that's really nice. It's very, very practical. I love the fact that of what it's made from. You know, so it's like recycled material, repurposed material. I love the look of this one. It's very cool. Plus, it just has nice inside pockets for some tech if you need it. Plus, they have these. This is the blue one, right? This is the tech kit. They have the small, which is what I have, and then they have the one that's a little bit larger. Really nice. You know, serves its job. Again, same kind of material on this. And not horribly priced, right? Decently priced, for sure. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you there. Let me know what you think of these. Let me know if you even carry stuff like this. I know a lot of people that have like backpacks when they travel and they just throw all their cables and stuff in it and just be like, whatever. I don't like doing that because I end up getting where I'm going and then I can't find anything. So I like things like this. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you there. I will leave links down below to their website. Now, it has Mujjo.com. I'm going to find out if they also maybe it's troubadour.com. Maybe it's one of the two. I'm not too sure because on the card, you guys can see it there, right? troubadour.com. And I will verify the warranty. Okay, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and I'll see you guys next video. Oh, we're going traveling. This is coming for sure. I gotta see if this will fit in my backpack. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.